Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, and do you know what today is, my beautiful friends? It's Thursday, September 13th, 2018. People, right now, as I am doing this video blog, the story is the dollar. The US dollar, again, as I am doing this video blog, is down hard. Look, this should not be a surprise to you. I've explained that they will not allow the dollar to remain strong. We understand this. It's the mechanism here. There's also that compensatory mechanism I've been explaining to you between the dollar strength and the U.S. 10-year yield. And in this environment, they are going to make sure that the 10-year yield remains in that sweet spot and the dollar remains where it is or weaker. The dollar strength has been kind of rattling this market. And as you can see, stocks right now are off to the races. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up about 140 points again as I am doing this. And as I outlined for you in the video that I did Sunday, this week was going to be bullish. Well, that's what's happened this entire week. It's kind of not hard to see these things before they even happen because it's fake. I mean, I don't know another way to put it. We know what they're going to do. It's our strength. I have 7 credit spreads open today, most of which are expiring tomorrow. All of them so far are paying off. I am happy about that. And for you traders out here, learn credit spreads. I trade them exclusively now. It's making my life a lot easier, a lot less stressful too. Let's talk about a couple of other things here. Being that the dollar is getting slammed, gold and silver are actually catching a bid. Cryptocurrencies are catching a very strong bid as well right now. Should not be a surprise to you crypto traders that follow my work. I outlined this for you as well. I outlined the smackdown 5 days before it happened. I said it would be short-lived, and boom, here we go. Again, all of this is not that hard to kind of deduce when you realize the environment we're in. And it's all just fake from data coming from whatever government entity wants to put it out for our president. It's all just not real. It's a fantasy land of truly epic proportions. Anyway, let's keep our eye on all this moving forward. So like I said, the dollar is the story right now, getting hit. And there was some bond buying on this morning as well, and that's helping to boost stocks as well. It's crazy. A rally in the bond market, a rally in the stock market at the same time, unheard of in a real environment. But in this fake environment, this is the new norm. Until it's not. Until it's not. Anyway, big thing today. Unfortunately, I have to attend a funeral later on today. It's a very sad story. An elderly gentleman took his own life because he didn't want to be a burden on others. It's a terrible thing, and I believe that more light needs to be shed on this epidemic here with elderly men, especially. Not saying women aren't doing this, but elderly people are taking their lives today in greater amounts than we have ever seen. It is truly an epidemic. So if you know an elderly person, maybe even one of your parents, that could just use a quick phone call today, tell them you love them and you're thinking about them, it would really, it would go a long way. So with that said, I will not be doing a post-market wrap-up today. Like I said, I will be attending this funeral. So you will see me here tomorrow morning. So instead of waiting for my, again, post-market wrap-up, use that time to go out of your way just a little bit and tell an elderly person that you're thinking about them and you love them, and hopefully it'll prevent a tragedy. With that said, I will see all of you tomorrow morning. I love all of you from the heart. See you then.